we are starting chapter number 6, Changes Around Us. In this chapter, we will discuss the changes taking place in our daily life every minute, every week, every month, and we can say every second. There are changes taking place near us. Some of them we observe, and some of them we are unable to notice because there are some changes are big, so we are able to notice these changes, and some changes are very small, so we are unable to note them. And today we will discuss each and every change taking place around us. So we can classify the changes in two categories. The two categories are reversible and irreversible. These are the two main changes taking place. First of all, we will discuss the difference between reversible and irreversible. First, the meaning is cleared from the words reversible and irreversible. Reversible is a positive sense, and ir means ir before reversible means the negative sense. So the meaning is clear. Reversible means the changes that can be brought to earlier substance. As we can say, if we change anything in a substance and if it is brought to earlier one, or it is able to get the earlier substance, so that substance is called reversible, or we can say the change is reversible change. And the second one is irreversible, means changes that cannot be brought back to earlier substance are called irreversible, means we are not able to get the earlier substance which was available before doing any change in the substance, and the change is called irreversible change. So we can get water again from ice after changing water to ice. As you notice, in summer we change water into ice by using freezers. So, and you also know that if we keep the ice for some time in the open environment, means outside the freezer, so it is again converted into water. So water can be converted into ice, and ice is again possible to convert into water. So we can say it is an example of reversible change. We can notify this with an equation. We can say reversible change is in both directions, as ice converted into water and water is again converted into ice. And on boiling water, we can convert water into vapors, and by condensation process, vapors are again converted into water. So we can say the reversible change is in possible in both directions. The second on irreversible changes, as we can make curd from milk, but the milk is not possible to again get from the curd. So we can say this equation is one-sided, means possible in only one direction, as milk is converted into curd but we cannot get milk again. One more example is wheat is converted into flour, and flour is converted into food, as we make chapatis using flour and many other eatable items. But after making food, we are not in a condition to again get wheat and flour from the food. So these types of changes are irreversible changes. Now we discuss the changes are caused by following reasons, means what are the reasons of these changes. So the reasons are human activities or by nature, means any change which occur due to human actions. Example, water is changed into ice, wood is changed into furniture, coal and water are also used for many tasks of our daily life. Wood and iron are also used for making many types of tools and regular use of by humans. So these are the causes, means human is responsible for these types of changes. And the second reason is by nature, as any change which occurs due to natural phenomena, means for example occurrence of day and night, means day after day there is night takes place, and after night the again next day. So this, it is a natural change, as change of seasons, means summer after winter and again summer. The next example is volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, growth of plants to huge trees, and natural vegetation are all natural phenomena. Hope you all understood the chapter. There are some practice questions for you. The first one is, give 5 examples each of reversible and irreversible change. The second one is, explain reversible and irreversible change, means the difference between both changes. The third one is, give 2 examples each of changes caused by human and nature. Okay, best of luck. Meet you soon in our next class. Goodbye.